Stressostat is a living artwork that visually captures stress in bacteria as light. The life-size installation combines scientific instruments, methods, and aesthetics to produce a real and speculative device. The work explores convergence between life and machine, where the machine becomes lifelike and the bacteria engineered through synthetic biology machine-like. So, the work involved locating a special genetic switch involved in stress response and combining this into a genetic construct so that when the switch goes on, it expresses fluorescent proteins. The switch was located using bioinformatics and extracted from the bacteria genome. Using synthetic biology standards, a library of genetic parts was available, and a fluorescent expression construct was combined with the switch to complete the genetic construct. Once implemented in bacteria, fluorescing proteins were expressed during oxidative stress, producing a yellow-green color in response to blue light. Synthetic biology tends to apply sort of a machine-like language onto the living. But paradoxically, it's sort of the opposite of the digital. Instead of the machine becoming lifelike, life is becoming machine-like. To control stress parameters as light, the work employs a fermentation setup called a chemostat. It consists of tubes, vessels, and monitoring parts, all connected in a functional manner to maintain homeostasis in the cell population. The machine is both hosting and feeding the bacteria and draws analogies with artificial organs and lifelike machines. A condenser placed outside the device acts as a window by having cells pumped from the inside of the reactor vessel. The installation creates a stress-sensing device both functionally and as an experimental aesthetic of scientific parts. The device probes into invisible processes on a genetic level and brings these into view by allowing stress to be read as light. With changing parameters, stress is visualized as a fluctuating light. The blue light is blocked using polarized glasses, leaving us only with the light emitted by the proteins. Stressostat playfully associates itself with domestic devices, such as thermometers and barometers, used to extend our senses and reading of our own environment. But rather than being a guide to our own world, Stressostat deliberates ideas of using our senses to explore other worlds.